So this is the coldest it's been in 100 years in Oklahoma, I guess. So we getting all my supplies. Ugh. There's the Miata over there, just covered. I got the lift Miata. There's Siobhan. I am so freaking snowblind. Don't do it, you'll rip my driveway up. These are too light. I said you'll rip my driveway up. These are light. Okay. Yeah. I told that kid he couldn't You're rolling down. I told that kid he couldn't do it. He was like, can I do it too? I was like, no, you'll rip my yard up. These are light. I'm gonna get in the car, it's cold. Go do some donuts so I can see this thing.
Hey, going.
Oh, my fence! My fence!
Ain't no way in hell we'll probably be able to make it to the 80.
You don't think so?
Fuck no.
You wanna ride with Siobhan?
Fine.
JD said he probably couldn't make it to the 80.
Oh, why?
In his Miata.
Distraction. You just gotta haul ass and not stop.
Alright, we're about to go get some propane with Siobhan. See if we make it.
Where's it going?
Probably still ferries. I don't really know. I'm really not sure. That's a big ass propane. Hi. What's up, guys? We're taking a break from working on the truck today. This will probably be its own video. So yeah, this is the coldest it's been in 100 years in Oklahoma. And it's been snowing, icy, extremely cold outside. Like, let me check my phone. I think it's like 8 right now or something. I don't even know. It's 5 degrees, but it feels negative 13. And plus, like, wind chill, it's freezing. Like, look at that. Oh my God. We're trekking. Oh, Siobhan's gonna mess up the church. Welcome to the graveyard. This Jake's new BMW. Engine might be good on it, we're not sure. Pretty clean. It's the first time I've seen it. I told him welcome to the graveyard.
Oh fuck, you got no idea.
That's a Lexus. It runs sometimes.
Electric getting cut off?
Yeah, the electric.
Why?
Because I got repaired or something.
Oh.
Do you like my jank ass board setup for insulation?
It's how Jake lives.
You just like hit that torch under there, didn't you? He's like, get warm.
Jake owns 30 cars and 1 trailer. Or
Yeah.
1 camper.
I actually own 2, but one was not here.
Oh, where's that?
Put some respect on my campers.
This is Jake, by the way. He's the one that broke the bolt in my engine. You might have saw him from other shows as grinding my engine.
All right, my loves. I'm out.
All right, we love you. Bye, Jake. You can watch us on YouTube.
I want to see how deep this shit is.
Let's look.
Bro, I think I could do a backflip off into this.
Do it. Do it off this.
No.
No bueno. I wish I had something to drive, but I don't. All my shit is not good for this weather.
Yeah, your fucking Magnum has
The highest thing I have, like the tallest thing I have is a stock Miata. And I don't need that at all. Yeah, dude, the Magnum would not do well in this.
Nah, you have too much power.
Yeah,
Is
my drink not in here?
Yeah, it's right there, in the cup holder.
Oh hell yeah! It's in the cup holder.
Yeah, that's a fucking cup holder, dude. Miatas.
That's a stock Miata cup holder location.
Yeah.
Ow! He's just gonna fucking send her, bud. Fuck! He's hit that wall.
This one's for everyone that said I'm nothing. This one's for my friends that don't give a fuck. So
Your turn. I want to go tandem. Snow day, fun day. Alright, we're about to go to Bigsby now. No more fun right now.
Did you change my seat?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm short, brother. I'm short.
You gonna push him out?
No, we're gonna laugh at him. Sad. We can pull you out. What's up?
Push you? You push you?
We can pull you.
Push you, pull you. Give her hell, man.
I'm GoProing you. Ugh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you get the stang stuck, bro?
Bro.
I know. I think I'm the only one out here.
I know, in a Mustang for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a tow hook?
I don't want to throw it on there. I don't know. You might
Yep.
have a hook.
I don't know.
Man, I'm so low. It's so hard.
I don't know where the hell I'm gonna put it.
Put it on your wheel. I'm just kidding.
Did you find the frame?
Yeah.
Just put it on the radiator. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Say goodbye to your lip. I'm just kidding. Damn. I feel like it might actually go though, because we're going uphill.
It might pull on a little bit. Is it polyurethane? Or is it? Yeah, it'll bend a little bit. It'll be fine.
All right.
I'm not gonna yank you hard.
You want me to drive it?
Yeah, you don't probably not really.
Put it in neutral, bro. Put it in neutral.
Probably be definitely steering it though.
Yeah, get in, bro. I brake, bro. Man. If I need to be, it needs to be on then probably.
Fuck, man, my brake was sliding.
My car.
True.
I'm about to get some meaty ass fucking all-terrains on here. It's
Something.
Yeah, I appreciate it, guys.
Yeah. The people in front are being weird.
Look, you got one way over there in the middle of the fucking 2 lanes. You got this guy right here. You got us over here. You can't really see them, but they're over there.
There's like cars like
They're almost in the other lane.
There's supposed to be
this guy's
2
going right down the middle.
It's in the middle. Oklahomans can't drive.
I love these guys. He's on his phone too.
Wow.
I wanted to get a picture of it.
No, it's a V6. Wow. It's always the Mustangs. That's crazy. Man. That sucks. Update, we're still not dead yet. Are we in 4-wheel drive? Yeah. Yep. We're doing pretty good. Big ass dually on the other side, it's coming right at us. Woo!
I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared.
I thought that was like the coconut trees. It's getting dark. We have no food or water. Middle of a snowstorm. If this thing breaks, we are screwed.
I have that blanket.
We'll have to call McBride Towing.
I got that blanket, and then
We'll all get naked
I
and
got
go
it.
for work.
I got a candle too. I'm prepared.
No servants?
We'll huddle for one. That would
We would
suck.
start a motherfucking fire in here. I'm not even joking. I'd be like, should I put
We got lighters.
right here? We eat the weed first.
We got oil in here. We're good.
We smoked the weed first. We have lighters, we'll be fine.
Finally home.
Roads are pretty bad, honestly. Like, pretty bad. Even in Tulsa. I was kind of surprised because, like, you'd think that'd be, like, good roads and stuff, but truly ain't. Use the restroom. I closed their doggy door up because I was like, it's too cold. They can hold their... Oh, fuck. My door froze? What? My door froze. Ugh, but yeah, we had a blast today in the snow. The tracker did awesome. I mean, I did pretty good. Yeah, we had a good time. That's probably gonna be the end of the video. Yeah, y'all take it easy.